Farm engine that's got one of the largest flywheels of any of the international engines. It's rated at 15 horsepower. Harry and his dad first brought that up here probably 10, 15 years ago on display, and they've done a very nice job of restoring it. The engine lives here in the barn all year long, and then for 4 days out of the year, Harry gets to play with his engines. This one here is an 8 horsepower, made by International Harvester. Then the next one here is a 10 horse M. That's owned by my brother Mark Love. He picked that up along the Canadian border up at Canadaigua. It runs pretty good. And here's now that one there is a 6 horse famous. It's a 1905. It was owned by a collector down around Schoharie. It needed quite an extensive work. The skid I found that up and come out of Kentucky. Had a water tank made. That was made up in Maine. Then the little engine over there on the end, that was in a barn up in Buffalo. Nobody knew about it. It was up in the loft. And when they were tearing the barn down, they found it. It was almost went to scrap. These are all farm engines. With the skid, they would pull them around the farm with horses to get them lined up for the guys that didn't want to spend the money on buying a wagon for them.
This engine's owned by Jeff Parks of Elma, New York. It's a 1918 Olin, 4-cycle hit and miss, and it ran the Corfu feed mill up into the 50s. The engine's all original and runs very well.
So we're looking at Will's Galloway engine here, air-cooled engine built in 1907, 1908 period. What Will's doing is filling the grease cups. These engines, the open crankcase, depend upon grease lubrication of being very connected. So he's adding grease cups here in preparation for starting this engine. Produce the ignition. So this engine came out of the collection of the late Sam Breeden, a friend of ours from Berryville, Virginia. Very grateful to have been able to acquire an engine and of course now run it in Sam's memory.